Hi, welcome again to our channel, Quadratic Equation Solving by Quadratic Formula and Checking by Factoring. So example natin dito, yung quadratic equation, yung ax squared plus bx plus c constant equals to 0. So yung 6 to si a, then solve natin to, solution. Yung a natin dito ay 6. Then yung b ay 9. Negative 9, then yung C ay 3. Quadratic formula, x, negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Yung b natin ay negative 9. So, negative 9 plus and minus square root b ay negative 9 square natin siya minus 4. Yung a natin ay 6 and yung c ay 3 over 2. Yung a ay 6. So x, multiply lang natin siya. So those 2 and 6 yung maging 12 na. So, negative times negative, positive, 9, plus and minus, 9 times 9 ay 81. So, positive na siya. So, minus 6 times 3, 18. 18 times 4 ay 72. Then, 12, 9, plus and minus, 81 minus 72 ay square root. Then, 9 plus and minus square root of 9 ay 3 over 12. Positive sign, take positive sign. Ito. So, x was 9 plus 3 over 12. So, yung x 12 over 12, so yung x value ay, x 12 divided 12 ay 1. So take negative sign, x was 9, negative 3 over 12, then x, 9 minus 3 ay 6 over 12, then common dito, pwede mo-divide ay 6, so 6 divided 6 ay 1. 12 divided 6 ay 2. So, yung value ng x ay 1 over 2. 1 and 1 half. So, check natin by factoring. Check natin by factoring. Raise lang natin to. By factoring. So, factor ng 6x squared ay 2x. Ito. 2x and 3x. Ito, factor ito. 1 and 3. So, cross multiply natin siya. Yan. 3 times 1 ay 3. 2 times 3 ay 6. X and x. Since ito ay negative yung middle term, so ito ay negative. So, ito positive. So, negative times positive ay positive. So, ito ay negative and negative. So, i-add natin siya. Negative 9x. Ito yung middle term. So, yung factor niya, 2x at saka minus 1 at saka 3x minus 3. So, gano'n natin yan. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Then 2x, lipat si 1 ay 1. Then x equals to 1 over 2. Yung isa naman to 3x minus 3 equals to 0. Then 3x equals to 3. Then x equals to 1. So, the same lang yung to, tsaka 1 half. So, thank you. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and press the bell para lagi kita update sa mga bagong video. Thank you. Bye-bye.